Hey guys, by using only two ingredients, we can make this protein-rich snack, peanut dates laddu. It can go for your children's snack box, evening snack, or otherwise. Now, in a pan, I'm taking peanuts or groundnuts here. Keep roasting it until they turn brown like this, until they leave their skin a bit. Now take it a plate, cool it down, and gently rub it with your hands, or just with the help of a cup you can crush it like this so the skin is easily removed. And then make a coarse powder. It gets oily, so just this much is sufficient. Now I'm taking dates. This is Medjool Dates, which is expensive but super tasty. We can skip sugar totally here. This is optional cocoa powder and some powdered peanuts I'm adding because it would just get stuck to the jar otherwise. And now I'm adding it to the peanut powder, giving it a quick mix and roll it very easily. It is greasy, it is very delicious. Do give it a try. Let me know how you like this peanut dates laddu. Something healthy, something quick is our motto to be shared all the time. Do comment, it keeps me motivated.